Today, I'm going to talk about some of these amazing fruits, in particular, this called granidad. Hi, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and I wanted to show you some of the amazing fruits that I got in Peru. These are manzanas and peras, or apples and pears. Chiquita, they're really tiny. And this one, which is called a granidad, which I don't know what it is in English, if there is an English translation, but it is amazing. It's gonna take me a minute to get it open, but you kind of crack it, so the outside has like a coating, and you peel off the outside. Woo! So you got this little bit of stuff, and the inside is like candy. It is so good. It's actually similar to the other fruit that I cracked open, in that it's got little seeds on the inside. Might look a little strange. Let's see if I can do one big pull, open it up. So now I'm gonna get back right here, and now I'm gonna try it. Unlike the other one, this is super sweet. It's almost like candy. And the seeds are softer, and yeah, oh my gosh, I could eat a ton of these. But it's all encased and protected for the outside, so it actually travels really well. But it tastes, I would say it's better than candy. So, have you ever tried this, and what do you do with it besides travel around and eat it? What do you think it tastes like? This, again, is a granidad, and I am in Peru, in Arequipa, Peru, currently, and I got this in Puno, Peru. So, try an amazing fruit today. Again, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and fuel your body with some amazing foods. That's natural candy. All right, have an amazing day and make today great. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button if you liked what you heard. Hit the share button to spread the word. Remember to fuel your body.